Welcome to the Week 5 weekly overview. Redundant, but hopefully still effective. This week, we are going to be focusing, turning our attention to broadcast journalism, and the end product will be TV news package story. So this week, we have some reading materials and a few assignments due. So why don't we cover the reading materials first? We'll talk about the assignments, and then just a few words about broadcast journalism. So, Chapter 14 gives a very good overview of broadcast journalism in your text. There's lots of supplementary material in the form of both lectures and additional materials that I've put forth in the Week 5 module. So, reading, there's lots of material, some good tutorials there, and hopefully you'll take advantage of those. We also have quiz number 3 due at the end of this week. Our pitch, which is due Friday afternoon, for our final assignment, which is the TV news package. And then finally, we have discussion board number 3, initial posting by Wednesday and final post by Sunday. So that's what we have going on this week. Again, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to set up a Zoom with you. How is broadcast journalism different than the other two types of journalism we've talked about, print journalism and audio journalism? Well, it is a visual medium, so pictures and video in this case are king. Now, we've had some visual aspects in print journalism. It's not strictly just print anymore. You're likely to see pictures or even embedded video. And in audio journalism, the medium is about sound, but we might see on a website a text version of an audio story that might even have some video captions. So we are in a bit of a mixed environment in terms of media, but TV is unique in that we really need pictures to tell the story, or video in this case. We do have audio, and in some cases we even do have some text in the form of graphics. So when we're thinking about our TV news packages, we're thinking about what type of video helps to tell this story. And in essence, we're really writing our story around our video. There are a couple of different types of video. There's a video called B-roll, which is the background video, or really the video that helps to tell the story. These are profile pictures of a building, people walking in, people walking out. They really help to illustrate what's going on in the story. A-roll consists of two different types of video: stand-ups, which are things that reporters do, where they stand up in front of the camera and introduce and or close their story. Sometimes the stand-up can happen in the middle of a story. And also interviews, just as we had interviews in print journalism, where our goal was to get a quotation, and in audio journalism, where our goal was to get a soundbite, an audio soundbite. Same thing applies with video journalism. We're trying to get a video soundbite. In other words, we want that person to appear on camera just as we would a quotation or an audio soundbite. So broadcast journalism takes many different forms. We can have long form videos. We can have short form. We can have what's called a reader, where a TV news anchor will just read over some video. We can have things called voiceover, sound on tape, where the anchor is voicing over, and then we will hear a soundbite added into it. And then the last one, which we're going to do, is a TV news package, which is a self-contained, a pre-recorded news story, typically about 1 minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes, where we have audio, video, sound, stand-ups, interviews, all contained in one package. Broadcast journalism is the same as other types of journalism. We have a lead, we have sound interviews, we have structure. So it's just a different form of journalism, in this case presented for television. So a few words about broadcast journalism and a couple of reminders of things that we have going on this week. So we will see you in week 6.